Hello everyone, this is Josie from Emdoor Marketing. Today I will show you a new rugged handheld. This is our product EM-T60. Let's know about it. This is EM-T60. It is the only one with a full screen in the entire ET series. So what are its advantages and highlights? Let's go and see now. Firstly, we can see it is carton packaging with a certain thickness. It can withstand some bumps and collision during the transportation. Okay, let's open it. We can see this is the EM-T60. Well, we can see here is the Type-C charging cable and a 10-watt power adapter. It's a relatively conventional configuration. Now look at the machine. Very thin without the heaviness of a traditional industrial handheld, just like the mobile phones we usually used. Except for camera and the earpiece, the front has no other things. The overall beauty is very good. The back shell is matte black, very textured. The shooting part is a scanning pad, a rear camera, and a long strip hole right here. The hole matches below and can pass through a lanyard or strap. A connecting conveyor group between the two holes and the NFC sweeping logo in the middle. The edge of the machine is designed with the curved surface, comfortable to hold, hard back with some craft. How about other parts? Scan height, TF and SIM card slots, 2 volume buttons and an orange scan button on the right side. Well, another side is the power button and the custom button on the left. At the bottom is the Type-C interface, microphones, and the speaker. The group part is reserved for function expansion. Next, we take a look at its performance. So first, we start it up. As we can see, this is Google's official little green man logo displayed on the screen. Well, we can see it is a 5.7-inch large screen and ultra-narrow frame. The appearance is similar to Apple 7 Plus and 8 Plus. IPS technology is also used. The touch is very sensitive. Next, look at the configuration. Click the setting of the phone. About the phone, we can see some data about this phone. Like display size, it is the 720 plus 1440. The main camera is 60 MP and 8 MP. Well, that's all. It also has another functions like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, 4G full netcom, NFC function. Network configuration can also be carried. It is said that it also has the function of wireless relay. Look at the camera. It has the 4 plus zoom. There are multiple camera models and the function HDR. Then we can take a picture. Let's look at it. It is so clear to see the picture. Well, for the rugged handheld, the biggest feature lies in its scanning characteristics. We can have a try. Just put the button and the scanner test is on the screen. We can see this. It's so easy to use it. At first, According to the official release, this handheld has reached IP67 dust and water resistance and 1.2 meters drop resistance. In order to test the reliability of its data, we prepared water to test, soaked it for about 1 minute before taking it out. The screen is still bright and the function is normal. Then let the machine fall to the ground from nearly 1 meters without damage and scratches on the surface. Well, above all, the evaluation of the EM-T60 has been already completed. On the whole, this model is excellent in all aspects. In the future, I will continue to bring you the other two models of the ET series. Please follow us. Bye!